Uta-bota. High killer. Happy New Year, everybody!
Naglalaro sila. Okay. Oo, maano sila ko. Wala na. Already one. Went properly. Went properly.
Guys, lechon belly. Lechon belly, guys. Happy New Year. Guys, bumili tayo ng long johns or alus hose. Mura lang. Right, let's go. Yun guys, ito yung napamili ko. Mushroom soup. Kanik-kanik lang. Olu. Duck flavor na ano. Tapos ito. Unbox natin mamaya guys. Nakabila ko ng kangaroo steak. Kangaroo steak. Tikman natin guys. Right? Tapos mga mushroom. Tapos ito, unbox natin yung alus hose suit, long john, tsaka paita, yung pang-upper naman na long sleeves, right? Unbox natin. Let's go. Yun lang, babalang kaligayan natin guys. Alright, let's go. Ayan, patatas, kung ano pa. Ano ako naka-grocery ng 2 bag. Alright, see you in the next vlog guys. Thanks for watching. Hello! Ito yung itsura niya, yung long sleeves. Ayan. Normal lang pero panglaban sa lamig, pang doble. Then the other one is ito. Yung alus hose suit natin. Parkside. 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 Oh, baka naman. Parkside. Yan yung ano natin pang doble. Alright. Para may pang extra. Let's go. Thanks for watching.